has evolved in a weird way. I was married for 20 plus years. My husband left. So in order to keep my family, my kids, and a sense of normal, right? I'm baking, every Friday for my kids to keep that kind of family together. So it's very healing and it's a wonderful experience. Today I am going to make a yogurt cake. Very simple recipe. Yogurt cake that you can serve anytime during the day. And it can be a breakfast cake, tea cake, dinner cake, whatever cake you want. Hello, I'm Florence Azria. Welcome to my home. It's not like Hollywood, like LA, although Hollywood lives here, but it's more like you entertain in your home, you go to people's home. Once in a blue moon you go to a restaurant, but very unusually. It's casual, it's relaxed, And baking by the ocean, double meditation, right? The smell, take me somewhere else. It reminds me of childhood memories, or I was born in the Mediterranean. My mother is an islander. She was born in Corsica. So the relationship with ocean has always been very, very strong, I have a master in fine art from the Louvre in Paris. I was specialized in restoring painting and frescoes from the 17th and 18th century. So now let me take you to the kitchen where the magic happened. My real kingdom. One thing about baking is precision. Everything has to be weighted and measured perfectly. Keeps your mind away from a lot of things, and while you're focusing on these, you don't think about that, So it's a way of healing, and it's a way of bringing your mind towards something else. Cooking, you can try everything and hope for the best, right? Not baking. It has to look as good as it tastes. Baking is an art. A lot of my friends went to the same ordeal, and being a community and lifting each other up, and I think it's very important. Now the best part of the day is enjoying it with friends. When you bake, it takes time, right? And so when people enjoy it, appreciate it, just so happy.